What is up, everybody? Broken Car Garage. Hi, I'm David. If you haven't seen me yet, this is Broken Car Garage. Alright, this is where we recently left off. I did not finish where I was in the last video because I got really tired, and I hope you guys really understand that because I stood up for a while to do this and to edit. But it's alright though. I really want to introduce you guys real quick. This is Diego.
Yep, what's up, guys?
I let off YouTube channel in description. So right now, in the middle of working on the Integra, we got a vet, and our mission right now, before we start working back on the Integra, Joe will probably be back as well. So I really hope you guys liked Joe in the last video. He is my partner and will be in most of our videos. So keep an eye out for him on some of the videos. Maybe Diego will be along with the ride with another vet fam. Alright guys, look at that. I need to do this for my vet, but I have my hands occupied at the moment. She's getting the love first before anything. But real quick, let's recap. So the last video I had, I was working on the front suspension, working to the rear. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rear after we're done doing this spoiler on the vet. We'll hopefully start some parts, so we'll get some parts coming in. Don't worry, baby. You're gonna get some love soon. We'll come back to you later. Alright, let's go back to Diego. Alright, so pretty much T15s, that whole, like a little screw that goes on top, right there, holds on to the tail light. Pretty simple, honestly. Our mission is to drill a hole, because there's an extra screw that goes in that don't come on the car stock. No holes. I've seen it done many times, and it's fun. Always gotta prep, clean the surface. Don't forget that before drilling into anything, use paint tape or painter's tape.
You got a Milwaukee radio back there, or?
Yeah. Do you want some music?
Actually, might copyright,
so let's go ahead. Copyright. Well, honestly, you can play some small tunes in the background. I did on one video, and just don't play it too loud, and then cut through the video. All right, let me go over here and help Diego real quick.
Just get a shot. Marker or some toothpaste at the tips of these, so we know exactly where we're going to drill into the. Straight with that.
Oh yeah, that's plenty. That's good.
I don't think these are going to need. It is good.
Yeah, it already has the bolts already put in. Okay, so check this out. So we
look at that tool it's giving me, guys.
I'm sorry, man. I give good tools. Broken bolt, but I thought I took it out. I guess it didn't come out. I do have another 10 mil if you need it. Oh, never mind. We got it. Drum roll, please.
I'm not even.
YouTuber problem. There we go. Now we got some light. Oh yeah, dude, those big holes. Look, I want to pull a Jeremy Clarkson.
I know, dude.
I saw that on Top Gear.
Top Gear, yeah.
I saw it on Top Gear, and I was like, no way. And
they did that to the CR1. So like 100,000, and we still get this.
I did the same thing to my car the first time I got it. I was like, no way. There's like no way it's that plastic. Oh man.
I mean, it's not big.
Where's my McLaren? Honestly, for the money worth, I love it.
Cool. So we're holding up the twist out. Let's put these factory screws on our useful light. Oh shoot. I forgot to mention, you also have to unplug the third brake light.
Oh yeah. Connector should be pretty easy.
So there's just a clip back here that you just need to take off. So you
I tried, guys. I can't do it. But look at that.
You could probably get a phone in there to get it like that.
So that getting shots I can't get.
Please don't drop my phone. Let's go. Let's go.
Just I can't wait to get those aftermarket tail lights they have, man, with the ring around it. I want the actual halo ring around the tail light. That is. Hey, I follow him.
7 lights. Who, this guy?
Yeah, I follow him. He's in Houston, right?
They also have them tinted, but it's like $200 more if you have them tinted.
I don't even like the tint. I like to be noticed.
Just tint yourself. So like these, the ones you like.
I don't like those.
No, these aren't the ones you're talking about.
They're literally
halo kind of.
Stuck over here talking about tail lights.
These sections, they're also it's cracked right here.
I'm a cop complain.
Look at that. It's barely on there. Super sucks. Oh.
4 to 5.
You didn't realize till the end.
Yeah, not everybody's driveway is the same, or apartment complex. You try to drive around with a low car in an apartment complex that has speed bumps like endlessly, or a driveway that has like a dip in it that's just unnoticeable until you hit it, and then it's too late. You're sitting there just like. So we're putting the little studs on.
Hey, what do you think? Should I put these on between? I'm not sure, like 100% even. Like, what's this?
I know one of them's gonna have to be a washer, so you don't go all the way through the plastic. So one's gonna have to protect it from going in.
Sit on it like
yeah. So like the screw goes on it, but it doesn't go all the way through.
That makes sense, but like,
because you have to have a washer. But that one, I think that's a locking washer. That's why it has those little splines on it. So like once you lock down, it kind of just keeps it on there from sliding off. It's like a virgin clip, a drum.
You use these for, and then.
Did it come with instructions?
No.
Ah, man, they never do.
To be honest, it'll be straight like this. Like.
Yeah, dude. As long as it goes on and it holds on.
160 cool. Like, oh, dude, did you know that I actually have my target top or my top of my roof come off as I was driving?
No, dude, that is my worst fear, is for the T-top part to come off. Yo, okay, so like every time I take my top off on my Vet, I always do a double check. I knock on it and I push on it and make sure it does. Yeah, I always do that because someone told me that it's happened to them, and I was like, no, that's not happening to me. No. That scares me, man.
I don't know, dude. I was in a hurry to go to my friend's house.
Yeah.
And then I took a shower, and I was like, oh, I'll just put it back when I get back, you know?
Yeah.
And I went I passed my neighborhood, and I got on the street, and I was going like 30. And it just flew off. But luckily there was nobody behind me, and I just picked that bitch up. And it's still good. I still got it on. I didn't fix it. But
so I give it that. That roof, like it would not fall. I mean, at least it's not glass.
yeah,
I like these seats. I like your seats. And the interior is pretty cool. That red interior looks nice. Oh, I like your shifter too. I never saw the inside of your car. I want to get a short shifter. Oh, dude, that's nice.
Here, do you have anything for this? Oh yeah.
Yep. So we're over here trying to get this.
Yeah, can you lift on this side?
You guys can't see this.
There's a tap at the bottom.
It's hanging on the plug? That doesn't make any sense. That it's like, hey, wait a minute. Can I twist this off? No, right? It's just unplugged. Because of the LED, right? What you should do is get your phone in there and record how it looks. So we can get a better picture of what it looks. I can't see. I wish I could see. So I can. Alright, so can't get that clip off, but I'm trying my best. So we're gonna try to record it and see what it looks like, so we make sure that we're pushing or pulling up on it right. I can't feel my hands, guys. It's cold outside. Phones come in handy when you're a mechanic, yeah. Let's see if we can get a good photo. Oh, there it is right there. Get that clip off, but I'm trying my best. So we're gonna try to record it and see what it looks like. See, that's why I like him.
Yep.
Look at that. Boom! All I need to see is what it looks like, so I know what I'm doing. Look at that. Woo!
It looks like the kit actually came with its own screws, so I went ahead and used some new ones.
Yeah, that's good. Cool. And then all you do is take the light off and put it in that one, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, dude, yes. That's gonna look good for the splitter.
Oh my gosh, it's
Yeah, right? People up north are probably like making fun of us of how, like, right now it's only what, 40 degrees, 50 degrees? and I'm freezing. And everybody up north is in -30. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. This part, anything that covers it, and when you line it up, so you don't drill in the wrong place and have a spoiler that's pointing north, so you fly the other direction. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So.
Ta-da! Oh god, that's bright. Ta-da again.
Okay. It's painful. These are like pretty distinguishable. These are kind of like, this one is kind of like, I'm pretty sure it's there, but you know.
I feel you.
You only get a drill at one time, so.
So we got one hole. Yeah, that works. Alright, so since the wing plastic and it flexes, it won't let the end touch just right. Too much light. So we're gonna cut those. Stud going in. It should be able to go in and flex a lot more, and then this one should be aligned with the rest of the spoiler. Same with the other side. Yeah, just remember, we're not trained professionals about body work. I'm not. We're doing pretty good. Making progress. You just can't be afraid to fail. Yet again, you don't want to fail on messing up this rear end. Imagine how much this rear panel cost.
No, this is probably the most critical part.
Yep, it was that last one.
Just drilling them in general.
I feel like the spoiler should have came kind of.
Dude, you know what they could have did actually?
Yeah.
They could have had like a cutout for it, and then you just lay it here, and it tells you exactly where you drill.
Right. That.
Boom, 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 done.
You know what? That's smart. You know what? We need to make a spoiler company. Come on, let's do this. They should already have like a layout,
like a cutout for it.
Yeah, so you can just drill it all. Like it should match the hood line, or the hood line, or trunk line for the trunk. And then once you have it lined up, you'll be able to know where the holes are. Easy as that. Tip number 3. Oh, it's your glass. It's okay. No, it's not. Makes me cry.
Right?
Yeah, you totally done that. Very nice.
Hold on.
Did it not come out right? Oh, did it smear? It looks like that's it right there. This spot right here. That looks like it right there.
You think?
Yeah.
I think it is that one.
Cause look how it aligns along. Trial and error. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Practice, man. At least next time when I do my spoiler,
Bro, you're gonna be.
right? I'll just remember. I'll just watch over this. Oh man, we got it. Look at that. Purdy, nice and purdy.
Finally.
Yay!
Look at this one.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I think it's right there.
Right? Just go completely off. Dude, that wasn't where it was. It was to me. You know what? That meme with that one guy, he's looking like both directions or the opposite directions of his eyes. Looks good to me. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That looks good. I mean, while you're driving, it looked good.
It does look like this. That's a little high, so probably against the washer sound.
Yeah.
Put the plug in.
Yeah, pretty much. So run down. Get your spoiler, get your hardware set up, get the studs ready. T15 all the way through.
Yep.
There's only one right on top.
You got 4 10 mils here.
Yeah, and then the 10 millimeters. That's on the actual light itself.
And then the plug, which is probably the hardest part.
Oh yeah, the plug, we couldn't see how it was until we used the phone to actually look at which way we had to pull or push. And it was pretty, like I'm over here filming everything and anything. We're almost getting everything back together.
Yeah, we're just gonna turn the car on, check the lights.
Yeah, make sure the dirt brake light works. You plugged in the dirt brake light, right?
Of course I did.
Okay, just making sure. Yeah. Whenever we have free time, we can go wash our cars when it's not so cold.
Oh, Intech works at Charles Mont.
Charles Mont Toyota.
Yeah. See, it's pretty bad though. It's gonna be.
I don't like dealership.
Stealerships.
I don't like working for dealerships.
You like Dragon Ball?
Dude, I have Xenoverse 2.
Have you watched Broly already?
Nah.
Dude, you need to watch
I heard it was good. All the animation is good on it. This goes out to all you Dragon Ball Z fans. Cool. Test 1. Make sure the lights work. Oh my god, dude, my neighbors are gonna be so mad at me. Oh man, I hope they're okay with me doing all this.
Oh.
It's funny though, because this is not gonna be the end of it. This is not gonna be the last loud car that's gonna be right here or anywhere near my my area. So there is an apartment complex above my garage, and it's not mine. Sorry. Alright y'all, so that was a quick little install. That wasn't too bad, that was pretty fun. I can't wait to do mine. Of course, Diego, I let off. Link will be in the description or somewhere in the video. So, hopefully we can have some more vet videos in the near future. So expect more, guys. Cleanup time, let's go! Oh, sorry neighbors. Bye, Diego. My neighbors are gonna hate me for that, but that was Diego, of course, again. The link will be in the description. Really cool guy, you guys should check out his channel. And that gave me kind of a small experience of how to do my spoiler when I get it. So it's pretty cool. That's not as hard as I thought it would be. It's pretty cool. I've never done it. He's never done it. So this was like our first time kind of coming across this situation. So it was worth the experience in my honest opinion. And it was fun. So I love collabing with other YouTubers. So if any other YouTubers in the Austin area would like to collab and show me your projects, or you want to check out my project and help me out with the projects, I would be totally down to help any YouTuber. I'm always supportive for other channels in the area, and there's no problem with helping one another. So that was cool. That was awesome. I really hope you guys enjoyed that little small clip with Diego. So right now we're gonna go ahead and go back to working on the Integra, and that should go pretty smoothly in the next clip. Hopefully it does. So okay guys, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.